Yeah, in previous videos, we looked at the Farview Tower and the two kivas, and then we looked at the reservoir, and then we did also another video on the megalithic house that was covered up. But we're still in Mesa Verde National Park, and there's a lot of different things in this one little section here. I mean, it's a large area, but just in this one section within walking distance, we can see all of these various things. And now we're just looking at another part of the whole community here in Farview. So here's the map, and we're still in Colorado. Okay. Farview community, where you have more of the older buildings here. Do not climb on walls here, but yeah, we're coming up to the placard here. I gotta change the battery, but I'm hoping this one holds out for a little bit here. Farview, the center of town here. There you go. You can see some diagrams of what it was here, and it's a little quite weathered here on the placard, so a little hard to read here, but you can come up here. Oh, gotta watch my step, and I'll go around here. I'm not going to walk around. There's more down there too. Center of town, like they said here. You know, if you had time, you could meander all around here and see what's going on. You can't go inside.